as a restoration contractor, you're looking for better jobs and where to get those jobs. Many of you go the route of a third-party administrator or a TPA, and some of you might use that as a source for some of your work, some might go all in. I'm here with Tim Miller of Business Development Associates, and he has some thoughts on maybe an approach that's a bit more encompassing than going just one route. Tim, what do you think?
Well, I think there's some major changes going on in the industry, and there's too much to talk about to detail all of it. But one of the things that I think for sure is going to happen is that there is going to be much more work going through third-party administrators than there is currently. Today, it's about 25% of all claims, and I don't have a crystal ball, but I would guess that in 5 years or so, we're probably looking at 50% or even more. So there's four things that I think are very, very important for a restoration contractor to do, whether they choose to do TPA work or not. And I actually recommend that they do, but keep it to about 25% of their total volume. So here's the four things.
Okay.
The first thing is you want to make sure that you have a direct sales program. So you're building a referral network. So you're getting work from agents and plumbers and property managers and adjusters, direct work before it gets to the TPA. Secondly, you really need to be thinking about your consumer-facing advertising. And these days, that's going to mostly be in the form of the internet. So your website, your SEO, your pay-per-click, your social media, all of those things are critically important to have operating at a very high level. The third thing is you need to create really what I call the total sales organization, so that regardless of where a lead comes from, your company is operating at a high level to close that lead. So from a call to an inspection, from a mitigation inspection to the reconstruction project or contents or any other work that you're trying to close. And fourth, you want to really be thinking about how to maximize net profit. If margins, really prices, are going to be depressed, then it's up to the business owner to think about how do I maximize net profit in these very difficult situations. And that really leads you to think about efficient operations, efficient systems and processes. And this race will no doubt be won by the most efficient.
Yeah, the company that encompasses all those components that you mentioned. Well, Tim, I know you do business coaching. What's your website address where people can find more information?
Sure, thank you. It's gobda.com.
GoBDA.com. All right, thank you, Tim.
Thank you, Jeff.